It's been a while since we've gotten to test a Power Acoustik amplifier, but they're basically the same company as Soundstream, so we can expect to get similar results from the Power Acoustik Vertigo VA2-1400D. Power Acoustik rates this 2-channel amplifier 120 watts RMS by 2 channels at 4 ohms, 200 watts RMS by 2 channels at 2 ohms, and 400 watts RMS bridged at 4 ohms. Inside the box is a warranty card, instruction manual, high-level harness, extra 40 amp fuse, hardware, and 2-channel amplifier. The Vertigo VA2-1400D can operate in 2-channel mode or bridged for 1 channel. It's a decent looking amplifier but seems kind of light when you hold it, coming in under 3.5 pounds, not the best sign. Dimensions of this amplifier are 8.5 inches in length, 8 3/4 inches in width, and 2 inches in height. For adjustments, the amplifier has a high-pass filter, low-pass filter, gain control, and selectable bass boost 12 to 0 dB. This is also a very versatile amplifier in terms of connecting to your head unit. Use the RCA inputs to connect directly to the RCA preamp outputs of your head unit or a line output converter. If your stereo doesn't have RCA outputs, then connect the high-level harness to the amplifier, which will connect to the speaker level outputs on the stereo's wiring harness. Okay, let's test this thing out. The first test we ran was 2 channels driven, 4 ohms, 40 Hz, 14.4 volts. Power Acoustik rates the amplifier 120 watts RMS per channel here. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 62.5 watts RMS per channel, 1.03% distortion, and 15.6 volts of output. We can swap channels, and we saw a spike in distortion. Our AMM1 read 49 watts RMS. We got 15.74 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 14.34 amps of current. Going to 1 kHz, our HP picked up 60.4 watts RMS, 1.06% distortion, and 15.4 volts of output. We can swap channels. The AMM1 read 54 watts RMS. We got 15.48 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 14.61 amps of current. Next, we went bridged, 4 ohms, 1 kHz, 14.4 volts. Power Acoustik rates the amplifier 400 watts RMS here. Our HP picked up 164 watts RMS, 1.11% distortion, and 25.4 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 130 watts RMS, 25.5 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 22.86 amps of current. Bridged, 4 ohms, 40 Hz, 14.4 volts. Our HP picked up 141 watts RMS, 1.07% distortion, and 23.5 volts of output. Our AMM1 read 129 watts RMS, 23.66 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 21.88 amps of current. Our final test was on frequency response. We used our audio precision to run up each frequency. Let us know if you think this amplifier is worth taking a flyer on for the cost. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.